Yes, it's 6 o'clock. So let's start, even though few students have yet to join, but we'll start. Yeah, I'll be discussing it. Muruganshi, I'll discuss with that only. I'll start the lecture with that point only. Okay. Okay, good evening, friends. First, let us discuss why this evening timing. Now, the colleges are started. And as the colleges are started, online lectures are there. Few colleges having lectures starting from morning 7 o'clock. Some of them having lectures starting at 9 o'clock. Some of them at 10 o'clock. Yeah, Nikhil, good evening. Good morning, Nikhil, good evening. So the college timings differs from college to college, and what we found as per our record is right from morning 7 till evening 6 o'clock, even 5:30, in some cases even up to 6 o'clock, there are lectures. Okay, Nikhil, that is what I am discussing. Why evening lectures? So morning, some colleges are starting at 7 online lectures. Colleges online lectures starting from 7 a.m. and they go up to, some colleges are in the evening and they go up to 5 p.m. We didn't find any suitable time in between where we can have our lectures. So this timing, whatever we have said, evening timing, is not forever. It is on experimental basis. If you have any problem, you can always raise your problem. You have my number, send your problem. What is your problem? We'll try to adjust them. Okay. I hope most of you should be comfortable with this timing. Now, one or two students having problem, we cannot do, because if you shift in the morning, some people will have problem of evening. If you keep in the afternoon, still there will be some students having problem. So we have to see where problem is for the less number of students. I don't think evening there should be a problem. In fact, those who are my 11th standard student, we used to meet in the evening only last year. They're used to that. Okay. So still, if you have a problem, you can raise your doubt, you can send your queries, problems, whatever your worries. Okay. No issues in that case. Is that clear? किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है लेक्चर के टाइमिंग में, तो let us, you have to inform us, so and so is my problem. Okay, then we'll see what best we can do. If there are, suppose now there are many students objecting this evening timing and suggesting, sir, take in the morning, we are ready to take in the morning. You are saying take in the afternoon. Okay, fine, anytime we'll do. It's online lectures, we are at home only, all the professors are at home only. So any time is suitable for me. Morning 7 also, even if you tell me morning 6 o'clock, even I am ready at 6 o'clock also. Okay, is that clear? Shall I start now? So those who are having problem, my number is there. Those who are not having my number, I'll say again my number, 9820144617. This is my number. You can WhatsApp me. WhatsApp only. If you want to talk to me, WhatsApp and tell me, that is, you want to talk to me. Whenever I have free time, I'll call you or I'll message you, that is this time suitable, and then I'll call you. Okay, let us start. Okay, sure. And this timing, evening timing, is not forever, dear student. Remember that it's not forever. Even we are thinking of taking physical lectures also from next month, if government allows us. Okay, from July 5th, 6th, somewhere there. In fact, at A1, we are making all our rooms ready. We are checking everything, whether all lights are working, fans are working, AC are working. Right now we are doing that. We have started that work from today. And when it will be physical lectures, definitely there will be two batches. One will be in the morning, one will be in the evening. Those who are comfortable in the morning can come in the morning. Those who are comfortable in the evening can come in the evening. Okay, let's see how it goes. We don't know, everything is uncertain, dear student. Yeah, offline classes will be best, definitely. Government should allow, COVID should subside. Okay. Your health is more important to us. Okay. Chalo. So if everything goes normal, even we want to go for physical lectures. So let's start. Coming back to maths then. Now, dear student, before we start, third sum, I'll be doing it by another method also. Third sum, I'll be doing it by, we solved it by method 1, I'll be solving it by method 2. But before that, let me revise what we did in the last lecture. Those who are absent in the last lecture can pay attention. Others will revise it. We saw in the last lecture, there are 5 types of different agents. Correct? 5 different types. What was the keyword I gave you? Do you remember? Agents are of 5 types. Keyword is A, B, C, D also was there, and E. E was there? No E, correct. Purposely I wrote E to check whether you are saying yes. E is not there, F is there. A, B, C, D, F. Now, you know each one of them. A stands for what? A stands for, yes, anybody? Type it, auctioneer. Auction. A stands for auctioneer. Auctioneer is auction, A-U-C-T-I-O-N-E-E-R, auctioneer. आराम से एक एक डिस्कस करेंगे. What do you mean by auctioneer? The person who does auction. He sells good by auction. In auction, people put bids. They put their bids, and then the top bids gets the person who is doing the auction is called as auctioneer, and he get commission for doing auction. B for, what is B stands for? You should be ready with that B. Broker, yes. And we said that share market broker, real estate agent broker, right? Broker gets commission from whom? Buyer or seller or both. Broker makes sure that buyer and seller comes together, right? Buyer meets seller. He makes sure buyer meets the seller. And he get commission from whom? Both. He get commission, whatever the commission, percentage of commission, he get commission from buyer as well as seller, both. Commission from both. Now, generally they get commission. I'll come to that. You people started with C also. One sec. Dear student, in the question it said broker got commission only from seller. तो फिर हम लोग कुछ नहीं करते. If problem is silent, then you get the commission from both. But if problem is saying broker got the commission only from seller, clear cut question बोल रहा है. Broker got commission only from seller. फिर seller से problem बोल रहा है तो seller. Clear cut बोला only from seller, ऐसा रहेगा तो. Broker got commission only from buyer. तो only from buyer. If this is a statement, commission of broker is 5%. So assume to be 5% from buyer and 5% from the seller. Okay. Yes, definitely C is commission agent. Correct. Many of you have typed already commission agent. Okay. You get commission for buying or selling. Buying or selling. You get commission for buying or selling. And from whom you will get commission? Either from the buyer or from the seller. दोनों के पास से नहीं आएगा. देखो बीच में मैंने स्लैश डाला है और. buyer or seller, and नहीं. Broker get commission from both buyer as well as seller, but commission agent gets commission either from the buyer or from the seller. Then D. What is D? Del creditor agent. Even if you remember just del creditor, तो भी चलेगा, because all these are agents only. Auctioneer is a type of agent. Broker is a type of agent. Commission agent is an agent. Now del creditor. Del creditor. Del creditor agent. What is peculiar about del creditor agent? Del creditor agent, what it does? It takes guarantee, gives guarantee that if buyer is unable to pay the money, buyer has to pay the money to the seller. If buyer failed to pay the money, I will be responsible for that money. I will pay the money. Guarantee deta, yes. Guarantee on behalf of buyer. It gives guarantee to seller on behalf of buyer. अगर buyer ने पैसा नहीं दिया, in some case buyer failed to pay the money, I am responsible. I'll pay you the money. Okay. For that he get extra commission. For that guarantee he gets extra commission. That is del creditor. And what is last? E is not there. F is factor. What is peculiar about factor? Factor के बारे में क्या peculiarity है? The possession of goods remains with the factor. Possession of the goods. If I want to sell, say I want to sell my laptop, I will give my laptop to a person, to that commission agent. That is factor. So now laptop is, I want to sell. Laptop is mine. I want to sell it. I gave that to whom? To the factor. Possession is given to. दोस्तों आपने old car देखा? Old car sell. Old car sell. Old cars का sell. Okay, old car. Maybe their cricket ground, Manipur cricket ground, or somewhere else, even at this Merivilla, near that petrol pump, opposite of the petrol pump, diagonally opposite of petrol pump, there is old car sale. Now I want to sell my car. So what I'll do is I'll have to go and park my car there. So car is not with me. My car is parked with the seller. So possession is given to him. So that is his factor. He is having that car. Key and all is with him. Car is mine. But I gave the possession to him. He will sell the car and he will give the money to me after deducting his commission. Okay? Clear? Clear? So these are the 5 types of agent. Then only one formula we saw, if you remember. One formula we saw. What was that? Commission ka formula. I'll just write COMM. In short, I'm writing that is commission is equal to how the commission is calculated. Sales into ROC. I'm writing ROC is rate of commission. In short, I wrote. Okay. So COMM is commission. Commission is equal to sales into rate of commission. Commission is equal to sales into rate of commission. Now, if you know sales and you know rate of commission, can you calculate commission? Answer is yes. If you know commission and sales, can you calculate? In the first case, case number 1, sales is given, rate of commission is given to you. Can you calculate commission? Yes. Out of 3, you know 2 things, third thing can be calculated. ROC is not known to you, rate of commission is not known to you. Sales is given, commission is given, but rate is not given. Can we calculate rate? Answer is yes, we can. Third case, commission is given, rate is given, but sales is not given. Can we calculate that? Answer is yes again. Clear? Out of 3, how many things you should know? 2 things. Third thing will calculate easily. Okay. Then if you remember in the last sum, we did something like this. Number of computers is equal to total sales upon price per year.
मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट। प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी एमबीए एंट्रेंस, SYJC कॉम, TYB कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ। चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट। कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान। इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक। तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी।
Price per या sales upon price per computer. Now some students sometimes ask me, sir, from where you derive this formula? How you got this formula? Dear student, very easy. Think of this. Think of this. You went to a bookstore, and you want to buy notebooks. And the bookseller says, price of a notebook is rupees 28. कितना प्राइस है? 28 is the price of a notebook. Okay. Then I purchased 10 notebooks. I wanted 10 notebooks. I purchased 10 notebooks. How much money? NB I'm writing. NB for notebooks. Okay. I purchased how many notebooks? 10 notebooks. What is the price of the notebook? 28. How much I have to pay? कितना पैसा मेरे को देना पड़ेगा? Easy calculation I have taken. कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं, easy है calculation. 28 rupees, 1 notebook, 10 notebooks, 280. What you did mathematically? Mathematically क्या किया आपने? Plus, minus, multiply, divide क्या किया? Mathematically what you did? Plus, minus, multiply, divide, raise to क्या किया आपने? Multiplication किया. Simple था. वो क्या था? The person who is selling, for him what? Sales is equal to number of notebooks, number of NB I'm writing, that is notebooks, into price per notebook. Correct? Now from this only you will get number of notebooks. You know, derive formula of number of notebooks here. What is this? Is the formula. Sales is equal to number of notebooks into price per notebook. So what is the formula for number of notebooks? Price per notebook will come on the other side. Here it is multiplied, but will change the slide. It will become divide. Or you can say by dividing price per notebook on both the sides. What will the formula? Formula will be sales upon price per notebook is equal to number of notebooks, right? Those who are having problem with this. This is the formula. In fact, we did this type of calculation somewhere in the 3rd and 4th standard. Do you remember that? Price of one is given and price of many is required. We do multiplication. Do you remember this? Somewhere our school teacher used to say, price of one is given and many are too many. Go for multiplication. 1 to many, multiplication. Many to 1, division. 3rd, 4th standard. I do remember my 3rd, 4th standard. My teacher used to always say this. 1 to many is multiplication. Many to 1. So that is the formula. Okay, so nothing. Now dear student, important thing. In the question, if it is said commission is so and so percent. Suppose it said commission is 5% on sales. Commission is, okay, commission is 5% on sales over 20,000. Now dear student, remember this, sales over 20,000 means sometimes you say sales over means greater than 20,000. Correct. This is correct. But mathematically greater than will not help you. When you want to do mathematics, you have to express in terms of plus, minus, multiply, divide or raise to over. These are the mathematical operations. So now sales greater than 20,000, sales over 20,000. How do you write mathematically? With the help of minus sign. Yes, in bracket, correct, in bracket, sales minus 20,000. Will it be always sales over 20,000? Not necessarily. If they say sales over 30,000, sales over 30,000. So I don't want that greater than. This line is not required anywhere. Directly I want mathematically. Mathematically what? Sales remains sales. Over means minus. 30,000 remains 30,000. And they have said 5%. So into 5 upon 100. Here they have said, no, commission is 5%. So commission will be this. because they are not paying commission on entire sales. They are paying commission only on sales over 20,000 or sales over 30,000. Is it clear? Now let's start with the third sum. Third sum, method 2. Okay. So I explained you. Now third sum, method 2. What we did last time? Last time we did here. What we did, method 1. I'm writing here M1. In brief, I'm explaining you method 1. What we did in the last lecture. Method 1, we said commission. I'm saying in short, commission is equal to sales into rate of commission. Then we said commission is 88,000. Sales we don't know. So sales we kept it as it is. Rate of commission 12.5%. So 12.5 upon 100. Then we saw how to remove that decimal point. You know how to remove decimal point. One digit after the decimal point. I want to remove that decimal point. So it will be 88,000 is equal to sales. Remove the decimal point. So it will become 125 once you remove. How many digits you have shifted it? By 1. So down in the denominator, we'll have to multiply it by 10. If you shift decimal point by 2 places, multiply by 100. If you shift it by 3 places, multiply by 1000. Is this clear? How to remove decimal point? Then further, what we did? 88,000 into this will become 1000 upon 125 is equal to sales. Then we did some calculation, right? We did some calculations and we got the answer. Anybody knows the answer? Anybody is having the answer? Or you want me to do again? Give me answer, sales. What was sales by method 1? Seven lakh 4,000. Thank you. 7,04,000. After doing calculation, 7,04,000. Last time we have solved this. So 7,04,000 is sales. Then what we did? Number of computers is equal to sales upon price per computer. Price per computer. Sales is 7,04,000 divided by price per computer. Let me check price per computer, 32,000. That's a division of 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 fours are 64. 16 fours are 64. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 22. And what we got answer? 20. This is one method. 22 computers. And then we wrote that answer. 22 computers. Okay, final answer we wrote. Now let's come to method 2. How you can do it by method 2? The same sum can be solved by method 2. Now you may have a doubt. Sir, in exam, we have to solve it by method 1 or by method 2. Answer is by any method. All methods are correct. आपको एग्जाम में जो मेथड याद आ गया वो बेस्ट मेथड है, बिकॉज याद तो आया वो मेथड, करेक्ट? तो जो मेथड्स एग्जाम में याद आया वो मेथड बेस्ट मेथड. तो मेथड 1 बेस्ट, मेथड 2 बेस्ट नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द मेथड 2. व्हाट इज प्राइस ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर? प्राइस ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर इज 32,000. सो कमीशन पर कंप्यूटर हम लोग निकालते हैं. Another ways of doing this, commission per computer is equal to एक कंप्यूटर का कमीशन निकालेंगे. कैसे निकालेंगे? प्राइस ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर, प्राइस ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय रेट ऑफ कमीशन. एग्रीड डियर स्टूडेंट, समझा क्या? मैं किसका निकाल रहा हूं? कमीशन. किसका निकाल रहा हूं? पर कंप्यूटर का कमीशन निकाल रहा हूं. देयरफॉर प्राइस ऑफ कंप्यूटर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय रेट ऑफ कमीशन. रेट ऑफ कमीशन तो उतना ही है, इज इक्वल टू प्राइस ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर कितना है? 32,000 है, इनटू रेट ऑफ कमीशन कितना है 12.5%, so upon 100. टेक आउट द डेसिमल पॉइंट, वो डेसिमल पॉइंट निकाल दो, क्या हो जाएगा 32,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 125, डेसिमल पॉइंट निकाला, डिनोमिनेटर में क्या करना पड़ेगा 100 इंटू 10. नाउ करो 0 0 0 गॉन, 0 0 and 0 gone. 32 multiplied by 125. करो 32 multiplied by 125. 32 multiplied by 125. 125 multiplied by 32. I'll do multiplication by my method. You do by your method. Our method is this way. We go multiplying from left to the right. 3 5s are 15. 2s are 6 and 1 7. 3 1s are 3. 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 1s are 2. And then we add them, 5 and 5, 10, carry 1, 7 and 3, 10, carry 1, 4,000. What is 4,000, dear student? You do your calculation. There is no need of you doing multiplication by my method. When we were in the school, we were taught to do multiplication from left to right. You do your multiplication, your answer will be 4,000. Everyone got 4,000? Everyone got 4,000? Hello, dear student. Okay. So what is 4,000? Commission per computer. What is his total commission? His total commission is 88,000. So what will say is number of computers is equal to, what will be the formula now? Number of computers is equal to, screen is not visible? Problem with the screen? Okay, just give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay, give me a minute. रुको जरा, I'll do it. Yes, I'm not doing it. Just wait for 2 minutes. I'll reconnect. Okay, at some places it may be visible. Some of them having problems, so I'm doing it again. Okay, screen sharing went off. I'm starting screen sharing once again. Give me a minute. Start screen sharing. Share the screen. Just wait, huh? Now, is it visible to everyone? Okay, let's continue. Yes, come to the formula. Now, number of computers. How we calculate number of computers? Total commission upon what? Last time क्या था numerator में? You can see here. What is that? Sales. Total sales upon. Yes, page. I'll take you to the previous page. Okay. Chalo, take this. This is rough work I have done. I'll erase that rough work. 32 multiplied by 125 gives me 4,000. 0 0 got cancelled. Yes, correct. Azal, correct.